Let's start with one of the simplest and most fundamental types of function, the linear function. A linear function is a function that forms a straight line when graphed. Recall that the slope of a line can have a positive slope as seen on the graph on the screen, and it can also have a negative slope as you see in the bottom. And here is another type of linear function, one that has a slope of 0. For linear functions, there are no restrictions as to what values you can plug in. You can plug in any number into this function. And one of the reasons why they also call it the identity function is because whatever values you plug in for x is going to be the same value you get out for y. So whatever you put in as your input, that's going to be the same thing you get out as your output. So for example, if I were to plug in a -2 for x, so remove this x, replace it with a -2, then you would see that y would equal -2. And the same for if I plug in a -1, I'm going to get out a -1. If I plug in a 0, I'm going to get out a 0. So you see the trend. And again, that is why it is called the identity function, because whatever value you plug in for x will be the same value you get out for y. Now let's find some characteristics of this function. This is a linear function with a positive slope. So first we want to know, where is it increasing? Increasing means moving from left to right in an upward motion. So it's everywhere. Notice you have arrows on both ends. So it's going to be moving from left to right, from -infinity to +infinity. Decreasing, from moving from left to right in a downward motion. There are no areas where this particular function is decreasing. Continuous, can I sketch or draw it without lifting up my pencil? Yes, from -infinity to +infinity. What is the domain? Well, it's going to shoot forever to the left with the arrows and forever and ever to the right, so it's from -infinity to +infinity. Range is going to shoot forever and ever down for -infinity, and it's going to shoot forever ever up to +infinity.